Neko Kiba. Hello and welcome to Neko's Furnace. I'm the president. And that's Neko Kiba. And today I'll teach you how to make some strawberry cake. First of all, you'll need 2 cups of white sugar. Then you'll need 1 package or 3 ounces of strawberries flavored gelatin. And then after that, you'll need 1 cup of softened butter. After that, you'll need 4 eggs that are room temperature. Then you'll need 2 3/4 cups of sifted cake flour. Then you'll need 1 cup of whole milk at room temperature. You're almost done, keep it up. After this, you'll need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You'll also be using 1/2 cup fresh of strawberries puree. I hope you liked the video and please leave down in the comments what your strawberry cake looked like. Thank you, bye!